So today we are going to learn about the digestive system. So digestive system is a system of body which breaks down the foods into forms that can be absorbed and used by the body cells. So it absorbs water, vitamins and minerals. So today we are going to learn about the digestive system. So digestive system, as I already said, it is a system of body which breaks down the food into forms that can be absorbed and used by body cells. And it also absorbs water, vitamins, minerals and eliminates waste from the body. So it breaks down the larger molecules present in food into molecules that are small enough to enter body cells, and that process is called digestion. So when I write here, you can see the mirror image of what I'm writing. So the front camera is not working, right? But if I turn on the back camera, then I cannot see how am I moving and how am I taking the class. So that's the reason why I'm writing here. So I think if I turn on the front camera and I teach and make these videos, then it will be like this. It gives a mirror image. So the digestive system is divided into two parts. There is an alimentary canal and there is also the accessory organs. So what is the function of the alimentary canal and the accessory organs? Alimentary canal is a continuous tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. So the organs of the gastrointestinal tract includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and the large intestine. The accessory digestive organs are the organs which assist in digestion of food. These include the teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. So the teeth help in the physical breakdown of food. So we are breaking down the larger and complex particles into smaller ones. So that is the main process that is happening here. And therefore, after that, the tongue will help in the chewing of the food. So we can get to learn two functions. The other accessory digestive organs never come into direct contact with food, but they produce secretions which aid in the chemical breakdown of food. So we talked about the gastrointestinal tract and also the accessory digestive organs. So what is the functions of digestive system? There are certain functions of the digestive system which includes ingestion, secretion. These kind of functions are mainly happening in the digestive system. So we should learn the functions. In ingestion, we have to learn what is the process that is happening in ingestion. This process involves taking foods and liquids into the mouth. So this is one function of the digestive system, ingestion. So here we take the food particles in. In this process, we take the food particles into the mouth, and also we take the liquids into the mouth. This is called ingestion. In secretion, the cells within the walls of the GI tract, in the gastrointestinal tract, there is a wall. So the cells within the walls of this GI tract and accessory digestive organs secrete about 7 liters of water. Enzymes, you can call it buffers, acids, all these things into the tract which helps in digestion of food. So in secretion, the cells within the walls of the GI tract and accessory digestive organs secrete about 7 liters of water, acid buffers and enzymes into the tract which help in digestion of food. Mixing and propulsion is another function of digestive system. So there are contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles in the walls of GI tract. So these mix the food and secretions and propel them towards the anus. So these contractions and relaxations of the smooth muscle, this happens and this process is called mixing and propulsion. This capability of the GI tract to mix and move material along its length is called motility. Another function of the digestive system is very simple, which is digestion. You all know what happens in digestion, right? So digestion is of two types. Mechanical digestion is there and also chemical digestion is also there. So we have to learn what is the process that is happening behind this. In mechanical digestion, the teeth cut and grind food into smaller pieces. The smooth muscles of the stomach and small intestine break it into further smaller pieces and mix it thoroughly with the digestive enzymes. In chemical digestion, the large carbohydrate, lipid, protein, and nucleic acid molecules in food are split into smaller molecules by hydrolysis and digestive enzymes. So, vitamins, ions, cholesterol, and water can be absorbed without chemical digestion. Another process of the digestive system is absorption. Here, the entrance of ingested and secreted fluids, ions, and the products of digestion into the epithelial cells lining the lumen of the GI tract is called absorption. The absorbed substances pass into blood or lymph and circulate to the cells throughout the body. Another process of the digestive system is defecation. Wastes, indigestible substances, bacteria, cells from the lining of the GI tract and digested materials that were not absorbed throughout the digestive tract. These all leave the body through the anus in a process called defecation. All these particles leave the body through the anus in the process called defecation. So this eliminated material is termed as feces. So now we can learn the layers of GI tract. What are the layers of GI tract? The walls of the GI tract has four layers tissues. These four layers are the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. I repeat again, the walls of the GI tract have four layer tissues. These four layers are the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. So what is mucosa? Mucosa is the inner lining of the GI tract. It is subdivided into three layers. Mucosa is the inner layer of the GI tract. It is subdivided into three layers. These three layers are important. One layer we already know, which is the epithelium, lamina propria, and muscularis mucosae. So these mucosa is the inner lining of the GI tract and it is subdivided into three layers called epithelium, lamina propria, and muscularis mucosae. The epithelium may be simple or stratified, which plays role in protection, secretion, and absorption. Epithelial cells also secrete mucus and fluid in the lumen of the tract. So these are the things today I teach. Today I taught you some things regarding the digestive system, but I can't see anyone in this video, in this live. So I'm teaching this to myself, I think, because no one is there. So if anyone is if anyone is reaching in this video, I think from no one is there right now. So I will restart the live once again. Check whether anyone is there.